Hi everybody, welcome to the Lighting Research Center. Today I'm in one of the fabrication labs here at the LRC, and we're going to talk about some of the work we're doing in additive manufacturing or 3D printing. I want to introduce Dr. Indika Perera. He's a research scientist here at the LRC, and he's going to take us through some of that work. Hi Indika. Why don't you tell us about some of the work that we're doing here at the LRC in the area of 3D printing?
The Lighting Research Center initiated this area of research back in 2015, and one of the most important things the center did was to bring both the lighting and the 3D printing industrial members together to perform joint collaborative research efforts. In one of the projects we are working on currently, we are designing and optimizing optical and thermomechanical components for a fully 3D printed outdoor lighting fixture. In another project that we are working on, we are designing and optimizing the thermal management component of an indoor decorative lighting fixture for both thermal performance as well as 3D printability of that component. One of the most critical aspects of 3D printed components being used for lighting industry is the fact that you need to measure and characterize the 3D printed components, be it thermal, optical or electrical. And the LRC brings its expertise in this area.
So Indika, what opportunities do you see for 3D printing in the lighting industry?
Dan, 3D printing has always found its foothold in other industries as well, with its ability to provide mass customization. And I think that 3D printing in lighting also will have that same avenue to get into the lighting industry because it provides this mass customization of the lighting fixtures for both aesthetical aspects as well as functionality of the components. Another opportunity that 3D printing brings to the lighting industry is the ability of 3D printing to provide on time, on demand, on site manufacturing of these customized fixtures which actually fits better into the architectural space of the building.
So Indika, how can people learn more about this area of 3D printing and lighting?
We are offering a 3D printing online course starting late September for professionals who are both from the lighting as well as 3D printing industry as well as other related industries who are interested in taking these courses. You as participants would be provided with components where you would follow right along with the instructors on how these measurements and characterizations are performed, and you will be sending in designs which we 3D print using these machines that you see over here, and we will conduct the characterizations and measurements and share the results with you so you get an idea of how to improve your designs and learn from these interactive sessions.
To learn more about the LRC research in 3D printing, as well as register for our online 3D printing course, you can go to our website, lrc.rpi.edu. Thank you.